Hello, ambitious minds. Today we step into the thrilling world of day trading, a world of financial freedom and opportunity where the stock market becomes your playground. Day trading in its simplest form is buying and selling stocks within the span of a single trading day. It's fast-paced, it's exciting, and it's full of potential. But what sets day trading apart is its potential for substantial financial gains. Yes, the risks are high, but so are the rewards. And that's what we're here to explore. We're going to take you on a step-by-step journey to starting your own day trading business. We'll cover everything from understanding the basics of day trading to forming an LLC for your business, applying for an EIN, setting up a brokerage account, and developing a successful trading strategy. So if you've ever dreamed of running your own day trading business, buckle up and let's get started. Before diving in, it's crucial to understand what day trading really is. Day trading, in essence, is the practice of buying and selling financial instruments within a single trading day. Unlike long-term investing, where you might hold on to stocks for months or even years, day traders capitalize on small price movements in highly liquid stocks or currencies. Now, the world of day trading is not for the faint of heart. It requires a meticulous understanding of the market, a keen eye for detail, and the ability to make quick, informed decisions. It's a high-speed, high-risk environment, but it can also yield high rewards. However, it's important to remember that while the potential for profit is alluring, losses are a very real possibility. This is why it's vital to have a well-thought-out strategy before you begin, to mitigate risk as much as possible. Day trading can be a high-stakes game, but with the right strategy, it can be highly rewarding. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to day trading. As we delve into the world of day trading, it's paramount to understand the importance of education and market research. Let's tackle education first. It's not just about understanding the mechanics of buying and selling stocks. It's about comprehending financial markets, being aware of economic events, and being able to interpret charts and indicators. Various online courses and resources are available to help you become an informed trader, from understanding financial jargon to learning complex trading strategies. Now, onto market research. This is your compass in the vast ocean of the stock market. It involves studying trends, analyzing companies' financial health, and keeping an eye on global economic news. This helps you make informed decisions about when to enter or exit a trade. The synergy of education and market research will give you the edge you need in the competitive field of day trading. Remember, a well-informed trader is a successful trader. Now, let's talk about setting up your business structure. We suggest the LLC route. Choosing to form an LLC or limited liability company for your day trading business comes with several advantages. An LLC is a type of business structure that combines the features of a corporation and a partnership. It's a flexible form of ownership that can be great for day traders. One of the main benefits of an LLC is its liability protection. If your day trading business runs into financial trouble, your personal assets are protected. This means that creditors can't come after your house, car, or personal savings to pay off business debts. It's like a safety net, giving you peace of mind as you navigate the volatile world of day trading. Taxation is another area where an LLC shines. Unlike corporations, LLCs don't pay business taxes. Instead, profits and losses pass through to the owners, who report them on their personal tax returns. This is known as pass-through taxation, and it can be a major advantage, especially if you're in a high tax bracket. Now, you might be thinking, sounds great, but isn't setting up an LLC complicated? Not necessarily. Services like Tailor Brands make the process straightforward and stress-free. They handle all the paperwork, so you can focus on what you do best: trading. With Tailor Brands, you can get your LLC set up quickly and without the hassle. You simply provide some basic information about your business, and they take care of the rest, from filing the necessary documents to providing you with a customized operating agreement. To recap, forming an LLC for your day trading business offers liability protection and taxation benefits. It separates your personal assets from your business and allows profits and losses to pass through to your personal tax return. Plus, with services like Tailor Brands, setting up an LLC is a breeze. Setting up an LLC may sound intimidating, but with services like Tailor Brands, it's easier than ever. So why wait? Start building the foundation for your successful day trading business today. Once your LLC is set up, the next step is securing your employer identification number, or EIN. Think of the EIN as the social security number for your business. It's a unique 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service to businesses operating in the United States. This number is crucial for tax purposes and for establishing a business bank account. Now, let's go through the process of applying for this number. The most efficient way is to apply online directly through the IRS website. It's free, and the process is relatively straightforward. You'll need your business's legal name, the name of the responsible party, and the business's mailing address. Once you've filled out the necessary forms, you'll receive your EIN immediately. Remember, each business entity you own requires its own EIN, so if you have multiple businesses, you'll need to repeat this process for each one. With your EIN in hand, you're one step closer to launching your day trading business. Now, it's time to get down to business, literally. You'll need a brokerage account. A brokerage account is your gateway to the world of day trading. It's an agreement between you and a licensed brokerage firm. Once your account is set up, you can deposit funds and start buying and selling securities. But remember, not all brokerage accounts are created equal, especially when it comes to day trading. Choosing the right broker for day trading is essential. It's like picking a business partner. You want someone reliable, trustworthy, and with a good understanding of the trading environment. It's also essential to have a broker that offers quick and easy access to the markets you're interested in, as day trading often involves making quick decisions and executing trades at lightning speed. There are several key factors to consider when choosing a broker. Firstly, look at the trading platform. Is it user-friendly? Does it offer real-time data and advanced charting tools? Secondly, consider the fees and commissions. Day trading involves making many trades per day, and high fees can eat into your profits. Thirdly, consider the broker's customer service. If something goes wrong, you want to be sure that you can get assistance quickly. Lastly, make sure the broker is regulated by a reputable authority. In the US, for example, brokers should be regulated by the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, or FINRA. Setting up a brokerage account typically involves filling out an application form, either online or in person. You'll need to provide some personal information, including your social security number and employment details. You'll also need to answer questions about your investment experience and goals. Once your application is approved, you can fund your account and start trading. Remember, choosing a broker is not a decision to be taken lightly. It's worth taking the time to research and compare different brokers to find the one that best suits your needs. Choosing the right broker is a crucial step on your journey to becoming a successful day trader. With your broker chosen and your account set up, it's time to develop your trading strategy. This is a crucial step in your journey to becoming a successful day trader. Your trading strategy is your game plan, your blueprint. It's what guides your decisions, tells you when to buy, when to sell, and how much risk to take. First, define your goals. Are you looking for quick profits or long-term growth? Next, understand the market. Analyze trends, study charts, and keep yourself updated with market news. Then, decide on your risk tolerance. This will help you determine how much you're willing to lose on a trade. Finally, choose your trading style. Whether it's scalping, day trading, or swing trading, pick a style that suits your personality and your goals. Remember to constantly review and refine your strategy. Markets change, and so should your plan. Remember, a solid trading strategy is your roadmap to success in the world of day trading. You're now equipped with the knowledge to start your own day trading business in the USA. We've walked you through the necessary steps from gaining a comprehensive understanding of day trading, its dynamics, and the importance of education and market research. We've discussed how to form an LLC for your day trading business, a crucial step to ensure your financial protection and credibility. We also touched on how to apply for an employer identification number, or EIN, another key element in your business setup. Setting up a brokerage account is another step we've covered, helping you understand the importance of a reliable platform to execute your trades. Finally, we delved into the development of a trading strategy, a blueprint for your daily operations that will guide your decision-making process. So, are you ready to dive into the exciting world of day trading? The financial markets await you.